Hi everyone, Happy New Year, and I hope you are doing great. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know of my latest obsession. I'm on a strong pastel kick at the moment. I had only tried pastels once, very long ago, and the only thing I remember is me not being too keen on the mess that I made. Dirty hands and lots of dust everywhere. For some reason, I've been wanting to give them a go again. I don't know why, but I guess because recently I've been enjoying other techniques that I used to think would never agree with me. Well, back in the day, it was just digital for me anyway. After quite a bit of research, I decided to go for it and bought a few Stabilos Carbocellos to play with, and next day I went for a couple more and then some more, and basically I bought all the Life-Fast colors from the range. I need my paints to be Life-Fast. At the store they also have bead pastels, and after playing with the ones that I already had, I went to get a couple of shades that I felt I was missing. I buy colors as I feel that I need them, rather than buying full sets. And so I ended up ordering some from Carandash as well, of course. And I love them, of course. Yeah, they are all different, but I try not to repeat shades so that I have a nice range. But yeah, they combine nicely together. I was gifted many years ago a set of Pastel pencils, but I find them to be quite scratchy and not as pleasant to use, so I only reach for a few colors. To sharpen them, I definitely use an X-Acto knife because some don't fit on regular sharpeners or they break if they do, so I just go with a knife. You also get a nice long tip that is very useful to have. As for the paper, the one that I've been trying is Pastel Matte, and so far I really like it. It's very sturdy, locks some of the dust, making the process less messy, which I love, allows for many layers, and it feels nice. I think it's great quality, but I cannot compare it with others because I haven't used any. Once I do, I will update here, or maybe I will make a comparison video. Let me know if you'd like something like that. I think it could be interesting to see similar subjects but different papers. Let me know if you would be interested. As for the process, I start painting in the same way as when I paint on watercolor paper. First I do a sketch separately on cheap paper and cover the back of it with graphite, and then I transfer it tracing over. You could do this with tracing paper, but I don't have any, and this works just as well. I transfer a few key points and then draw everything with one of the pencil pastels. In the case of this painting, I think it was burnt sienna from the Stabilo range. It doesn't really matter because it will blend. I'm experimenting quite a lot, and there are many ways to approach painting. But here, because the paper has this light cream color, I felt like starting by placing the shadows. If the paper was dark, maybe I would start with the lights, but you know, I like jumping back and forth and I never follow the same rules. Not in this one, but I've been combining pastel pencils with pastel sticks in some of my other portraits. The ones that I have are from Rembrandt, and as far as I know, they are and feel moderately hard. I think they are between the very soft pastels, the very soft pastels, and hard pastels. I think they are great for layering, have good life-fastness, and I like that they don't contain heavy metals such as cadmium or cobalt. I'd love to try some from Schminke or Sennelier, so maybe I'll get a couple open stock. I hope you like watching this piece coming together, and feel free to ask anything in the comment section. I know I barely touched the surface, but keep in mind they are new to me, and I have plenty of things to try. The good thing is that somehow they feel kinda close to oil painting, in the sense that it's a very straightforward way of applying paint, so I don't feel there's a huge learning curve before you can feel confident, if that makes any sense. The paper and the pastels, no brushes or mediums or different oils or anything. So yeah, I'm enjoying them a lot, and I hope it was interesting to watch. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe for more if you didn't already. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!